All right, this next part is a really cool story that I want to talk about. This is what happened with us last week. Last week, one of our vendors invited us to do a virtual dinner meeting, and it was fantastic. What they did was they called us up over the phone and said, hey guys, we like to meet with you at a trade show. We have these great dinners. We break bread, we talk, we tell stories, we laugh, and we talk about products, we talk about the industry, and those are so valuable. And without having trade shows, that's one of the things we've really lost. So one of our vendors, Epiphan, invited us to a virtual dinner meeting. It was really great. 3 or 4 of us got together in our conference room, and then they had their different people from their little remote locations, and we broke bread, ate dinner together, had a little bit of wine, and we actually had a great meeting. What we scheduled for an hour went almost 2 hours long, and it was fantastic. And you know what? We accomplished some of the same great things we accomplished at our normal dinner meeting. The other thing that was kind of cool is I find Zoom kind of awkward sometimes if you have more than 4 or 5 guests because people talk on top of each other. But because it was a dinner meeting and every now and then people were eating, there were natural silences in the meeting, which was kind of cool, and it worked. And then last Friday, we did a virtual happy hour. We invited our whole team, everyone who was working here on location, plus the people working remotely, plus we invited several of our vendors to participate. It was really great. I think at the top, we had about 20, 25 people all together having some fun, drinking some beers, having a glass of bourbon or what have you. It was a relaxed kind of fun thing, talking to each other. And those personal connections are so important, folks. So I really recommend you do that. Have a virtual happy hour and invite your partners, invite your best customers or your best vendors or your staff, whatever it is, or everyone all together. But it's a really fun thing to do. We did it, it went really well, and I recommend it really highly. So